Okay, hi traders, here is a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another Candlestick Psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So I'm doing here a call because I understood that we have here a support level, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call, and I'm expecting that price will go up from this level. Yes, because we have here also ranging markets. Here we got a reversal happening, yes, and that was the reason why I entered here into a call. So now we are going to break through this kind of major support and resistance level, and I will do another call. Yes, okay, we will not break through this, so I will wait till I understand what's happening here. Yes, because this candle is not unfolding like I would expect. Yes, let me see, it's a weak candle. Yes, and this weak candle is in a consolidation area between the 20 and the 50. So if this candle will go down, I will enter into a call. Okay, now I'm not doing this anymore. As I missed this, I had to react a little bit faster. So let me see. Okay, I will do a put now because we are here above the 50 EMA and the 20 EMA before. Yes, that means for me that price will retrace back below the 50 EMA. That is exactly explained in the ebook. Yes, I have shown you this, how to read the EMAs, how to read the Bollinger Band, and where to enter on support and resistance, and where to enter into a consolidation area. And I will show you this at the end of the video so that you can understand what I'm meaning here with this. Yes, so let me see. We will enter here. If this will break through this level, yes, it broke through this level. I'm using this level now as support level, and that's the reason why I'm entering immediately into a call. So if you have seen, the entry point was again really important here, yes, only because I entered above the support and resistance level, the consolidation area between the 50 and the 20 EMA, I got the previous trade in the money. It was in the money by hair, but by hair really calculated, because that is what I have explained in the ebook about the entry point. I will show you this after this trade, so that you get a better insight about this, what I'm doing on each and every trade. Yes, that are those kind of concepts which I'm using really on every trade. That are the method of elimination. Yes, the support and resistance based on candlestick patterns. Yes, the entry point. Yes, and let me see, and obviously the market condition stuff. So let me see if I can show you this. What I'm talking about here in the ebook, I'm talking about those kind of concepts which I have explained in the 7th edition ebook. Yes, where I talked about, first of all, the most important one are those one, if you are using them, the Bollinger Band and the EMA. Yes, here we got this kind of things, ranging EMA, yes, or here, trending steepness, yes, here, 200, 100, yes, but more this one here, consolidation constriction, entering here, above, you see, above, the same here, above, if you are ranging above at the edges, yes, and then those kind of concepts which I have explained here. So if you are support and consolidation area, and I entered here, yes, you see, in this kind of area I entered, here we have the 50 and the 20, and I entered here above this level, yes, it's the maximum at the top. Yes, because it was clear that this candle would not break through this area. It broke through it because it can happen always. Yes, but the margin of safety based on the entry point here has saved my trade. Yes, that is what this about is. And so many of my trades would be out of the money if I would not apply this kind of stuff here about the entry point. Then I'm applying this kind of stuff here where I'm talking about the direction of the market. Look at this. Here, price goes up, yes, first in the purchase time, and on the expiration time it goes down. That is what I have done here, yes. 50 EMA here above, 20 EMA here, yes, you see, 50 here, 20 here, and in the here I have done the 20 and the 50, but it doesn't matter, yes. It's only a question about where to you enter and what the movements are. In the purchase time, price goes up, then you enter at this key level into the put trade, yes, and on the retracement it goes down, yes, and at the end it closed below the entry point. So then this stuff about the entry point I have shown you before, yes, and then here the process of elimination, because here was no trend before, yes. Okay, we had here a trend, but we got this consolidation area, yes, it was not applicable, else I would have done here a put, yes. If I would have seen that price would have been trying to go down through the 50 to the 20 EMA or breaking through the 20 EMA, I would have done maybe also a put, yes, but because I saw immediately that price was not going down, that we are getting only up, I decided to enter here. That is this one what I want to show you here, the part about where I have this part here where I talked about the resistance, support and resistance based on candlestick pattern. Yes, the spinning top has above here a resistance, and this here is nothing else than a support level. And I use this level here, this resistance level, to do my put trade. Yes, and after this I understood that the trend will continue. Yes, because we broke here the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA, sorry, we broke the 50 EMA, and the 50 EMA here would be act as resistance, and that's the reason why I entered here into a call. So I could have done also the next call here. Yes, that would be have done also, because that was a clear trend continuation. Yes. But I was already explaining something. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. And so I would say, stay safe and bye-bye.